Hello, C-Bullock here, and today we're going to be looking at the Christmas Spirit Gift Pack. I think this pack comes with the Unlimited Effects Pack subscription. I haven't seen it on the Movavi Effects store, but I logged in the other day and it was here. So this one comes with 4 backgrounds, 4 transitions, 16 stickers, 1 frame, 2 intros, and 4 titles. So the first background is this one here with the snowman, and then you have this one with the train, this one here with gingerbread men, and this one here. Then we also have the 4 transitions. So the first transition is like this with Christmas ornaments dropping in, and then we have this one here, train, and presents. Then this comes with 16 stickers, so it comes with several stickers, but none of them move. So none of these stickers are animated. So you see if I play it, they all just stay as they are. And then you have this other set here. So some Christmas ornaments, snow globe, snowman, hot cocoa, train, and peppermint lollipop type thing there. And then all of these, we had presents, gingerbread man, Christmas tree, a box of Christmas stuff, and then a candy cane and some decorations. Other than that, we also have this pretty cool snow frame. So I have some other snow frames, but this one is a little more cartoony. I like it. And then we have these title tracks. So there's not title tracks. These 4 titles, like that. So they all kind of have, most of them look like a stamp kind of look. And then the snow globe there. And then you have these 2 intros. So one with the snow globe, and then another with the train. So that is it. That's all that I've found with this pack so far. And I was surprised and excited to see it. There's a preview of the extra Christmas pack you get with that unlimited subscription. Hope it helps you. I couldn't find it anywhere else, so I thought I'd show you guys here. Let me know in the comments what you think. We'll see you next time.